Hey everyone. So probably from the tone of my voice, you can tell pretty happy, and I guess this is how motorsport goes. So heat number 2 went very well. In the last video, I got a DNF on the first heat because of a dislodged bumper. So I was pretty bummed about that, and that means for this race I had to start last, 8th. But and then the last video I talked about mental preparation, and I guess it worked out. Being in a race, helmet, visors down, and kept it together. It was quite a. I guess I anticipated quite a bit of mayhem at the first couple corners. So starting last, I had nothing to lose. I'm just gonna stay out of that one, right? And I knew I was gonna pass him eventually. And predictably, about 5 of them took themselves out at a second corner. I had to go on the dirt and cut 3 corners, but hopefully nobody's gonna hold it against me because there's really nowhere to go. And so when you have like 3 top car pile up in the S, well, I guess I'm just gonna go around it. I don't really have anywhere else to go. So I think that got me up to like 4th or 5th, and I passed 4 more cars. I lost count. I have the onboard video. I'll post it, and not finishing second. I mean, it's incredible. From 8th to 2nd, I didn't expect myself. I mean, I knew I had the speed, and that's where I should be qualifying wise. But to start 8th and then getting up to 2nd, within 10 laps, I'm really happy. We finished the race with 3rd place is half a straightaway back there. And the race winner is somebody who's been winning this race a lot. He really checked out. I couldn't see him. He must be the other side of the track. So he's got this thing wrapped up pretty well, and kudos to him. But I'm pretty happy. My second, from 8th. I'm very happy with that. So we got now the main event left. That's 15 laps compared to 10, and I start second. So looking forward to that. Talk to you guys later.